you plant a corn cob in soil and water it, you can grow your own corn for free at home. If you take a pomegranate, put the seeds in a plastic bag and crush them. You can plant them and have endless pomegranates. If you put 2 mushrooms in a blender, add water and make a juice, then you can grow mushrooms for free in your garden. If you take a pumpkin, remove the seeds and cover them with earth, then you can make your pumpkin grow again and again. If you put peanuts in a cloth, soak them in water and plant them, then you'll be able to grow them again and again. If you put a bread apple in soil and water it, then you'll have your own Christmas tree at home. If you crush black raspberries in a handkerchief, collect their seeds and plant them, then you'll have your own black raspberries at home. If you cut a potato in half and plant each half, then you'll have free potatoes for life. If you take a pineapple head and soak it in water, then you can grow your own pineapples at home. If you take a passion fruit seed, put it in soil and water it, then you'll have free passion fruit for life. If you've made it this far, comment on which city you saw this video from. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and get your free gardening guide on my profile.